Okay, so again, I'm live, but need to verify. So for this, when we went live, okay, so this is weird. Okay, how do I verify this? Okay, great. Okay, awesome. Just a second. Okay, so finally we are live, and today I'm here for an important announcement. So normally we go live on Sundays, but today we have a very important announcement, and we have talked about this in the last few live videos or live sessions. Every Sunday we have talked about this. Now, due to lockdown, due to other issues, of course, we are not able to go to the office. We are working from home. Same goes for the education. Everything is happening online now, and you have seen the trend, right? So most of the things are going online, including education. Okay, before going ahead, if you're confused about this hat, yes, I'm trying out new style. It's not because I just want to look good on this video, but okay, so there's a problem with lights. Okay, so when you make a video at night time, it's difficult to use a front light in this room. So I'm using a light which is up there on both the sides, and it creates that light effect on my awesome skin of my head. So I just want to avoid that, and that's why I'm using this cap. So this will be maybe this will be used a lot in the upcoming videos, so that it can help me with the lights. Okay, so it's only for the lights, uh, but I think I look good, right? Okay, so important announcement, as I mentioned. We will be doing some live sessions on Python. Yeah, so we have talked about this before. So just to reiterate, see, Python is an awesome language, right? One of the best language in the industry. So trends are changing when it comes to languages. Initially, it was Java, then things bended towards Swift language, and now it's Python. So Python is everywhere. And one of the field where the Python is very famous is machine learning, data science, AI in general. So Python is very famous, right? And that's why we are going to do some live sessions. And this live session will be done in collaboration with Great Learning. So we have this amazing place, which is Great Learning Academy, and we'll be doing live sessions. In fact, two live sessions. So it will be a series of two live sessions on Great Learning Academy. Uh, so it will be more of how do we use Python. So of course we'll talk about why Python is the best language. We'll see some syntax of it, some crux of it, and most important, we will be doing something which you all are waiting for from a long time, which is Python in data science. I know. I was saying, hey, we'll not be doing that now, but it's time, right? There's a huge demand for it. So every day I get a lot of messages on different platforms to make a video on Python with data science, which because that's an implementation, right? What we have learned is what is Python, how do we use it, but where do we use it, right? So we have option of web development, which is Django, but what about the other field like data science? So how do we use that? So we have so many libraries available, right? So in those live sessions, we'll see how do we use those libraries, the Python libraries, in data science. Uh, it will be awesome. So I'm really excited for those live sessions, because it's been a long time. I did a live session. I have taught live session for open platform. Yes, I did for some corporate people for some companies, but then we have a limited audience there, right? But now we will be having huge audience, and it will be fun, right? It will be fun to have both way interaction. It will not be boring type of stuff. I'll be teaching you live, and of course, you can ask me questions. I will try to answer them the way we do it on our platform. But that's not it. We have something interesting here. So since we are doing a collaboration, so we got this opportunity that I will be having my paid courses on Great Learning Academy, and those will be premium courses. But then we are giving away some courses for you, so that will be a package for you, right? So five lucky winners will get the courses of around 8,000 rupees, or it will be 8,000 rupees course for free, right? So we'll choose top five, and we'll be choosing five, and you will be getting those courses. each course worth, I mean, each person will get a course of 8,000 rupees. Now, question arises how, I mean, how we are going to register and how will you win that? So you can see we have a link there. Let me just check. So there's a link here. Just go to this link and register yourself. This is a Great Learning Academy website where they have a registration form. You have to fill up your details, and we will be doing a live session. But the main question is when we are doing it. So this will be coming Sunday, which is what? What's the date today? So this will be on 16th of August, which is yeah, Sunday, 5 p.m. And it will be around 1.5 hour session where in 1 hour we'll talk about we'll talk about the concept. As I mentioned, this will be a two session series, right? So we'll be having two live sessions. So in the first live session, mostly we'll focus on the importance of Python. We'll see some syntactical things about it. And then last half an hour will be very important because that's where we'll be having the QA session, right? And the next week, we'll have the most important thing. In fact, I forgot to mention the topic of this title. So what do you think? What will be the title of this? Now, this is interesting because we see if you want to learn Python, you can learn it from anywhere, right? You can watch videos. What's more important, I want to focus here is the best jobs you can get in 2020 for programmers, right? So we do learn different technologies, but we are not sure how do we implement those things in the actual job, right? So in fact, I remember one of the so last to last month in the month of April, I guess it's been 3 months. So I was talking to one of the one of the company, and then we were having this discussion. So they were from the learning department, and then so we were talking about some new technologies, and one of the thing came up, uh, so one of the management person, he asked me, so after these courses, what kind of job profile they will be getting, and I was a bit okay. So first of all, it was weird for me to answer in a job profile way because as a technological person or as a technical person basically, so we focus more on the technologies and programming languages. We don't focus much on the roles. When you join a company, you get a job role, right? So it's interesting to think about in that aspect as well. So when you're learning something, it's important to understand what kind of job role you will be doing. See, when you say you're working in Java, but what exactly you're doing in Java? Are you into Java development? Are you into deployment of Java projects? Or are you into POC of Java projects? Something like that, right? So job profile is very important to know. So we'll be talking about those things. So I'm very excited to we take these live sessions. I'm not sure how well it will be going because this will be the first time in this lockdown period I'll be doing a live session like this. But the planning which we are doing, the way we are working together, so it's a great collaboration. The way we are doing it, it will be awesome, I guess. So I'm excited. So let's see how you are taking it. So I got a lot of questions here. Let me just pick up some questions since we are live. Of course, we can. That's one of the interesting things we can do in the live sessions, right? We can pick up questions. Let me just see how many people are watching this. I'm excited. Oh, that's great. So a lot of people are there. So just make sure that you register. The description link is also there in the. Oh, sorry, the registration link is also there in the description here. You can just click that and register yourself. So if you want to, if you want to win the courses, make sure that you register from this link only, right? Because they will be doing they will be using some formulas to get the winners. So we want our subscribers or our aliens to win that courses. Okay, great. Let me just pick up some questions. How many days the live session will be when it will be started? So we'll be having two live sessions, one this Sunday and one next Sunday. But again, we have some more sessions planned up next month. It's just that due to the other projects which I'm busy with, we wanted to do more, but let's stick to four now. So to this month, to next month. Okay. Sumit says I registered. Oh, that's great, Sumit. See you in the live session. Yeah, I know. A lot of people are saying, where were you? So I was there. Okay, so in fact, I'm getting a lot of messages on different platforms as well. See, as I mentioned before, I'm busy with other projects. Yes, I wanted to make more videos on YouTube. Will be coming soon, maybe next week, next to next week. So I'll be again starting with the YouTube videos. But then again, next month I have another big project coming up. So, but yeah, we have so much of content available already on the platform. So Gagan says, where did you learn programming? From multiple places. I learned programming from college, from online tutorials. I mean, I remember when I was in my second year BSc, it was in 2009, I guess. I used to, so I went on YouTube, so to learn a programming language, and I found the new Boston. So, yeah, so we all have the same trainer, I guess. I learned C language, I guess, from New Boston, if I'm not wrong. C and HTML. Apart from the Java, I learned it from books and projects. Okay, is Java dead? Of course not. And that will be our topic for the next month session. So next month, the first session will be, is Java dead? We'll talk about that. And also let me know how this thing is looking. I'm not sure about this gap. Maybe I will take another one. It has certain lines here, but let me know. This is working perfect for my lights. At least I can experiment with a lot of lights now. Uh, how will you choose the winner? Now that's something the Great Learning Academy will take care of. I want to focus more on taking a session. Okay, Binod. Yeah, so this is a requirement. So we are doing the next live session only for Binod. Okay, is the course is free? This two live sessions are free, but then you will be having some more premium courses on Great Learning Academy. In fact, there are some free courses available as well. You can just check them out. Okay, things are going good here. Let me just check the stats. Stream health is good. So normally we should do live in the evening time, So everything network is good, streaming is good. Okay. Will I say hello with my? Will I? What will you say? Is it Shivank? Yeah, hi Shivank. Let me pick up some more questions. Okay, there are so many questions here. Just slow down. Okay, where do you work? So I'm a trainer. I work with multiple companies. Okay. Do you still use Java and Android? I don't work on Android much now. Okay. Make a playlist on PHP. Now, PHP is one of the language which I have not worked much on. Yes, I did one or two projects way back in 2010 or 11, but after that, I've not touched it. Yeah, I did in 2014 as well, a small project with one of my friend. Okay, so you are looking good with or without hats. Oh, thank you so much. So this hat is majorly for lights. Okay, just to wanted to clarify. Okay, take webinars daily. I was planning for it to do a daily webinars or seminars or live sessions daily, but due to other work, it's difficult to manage. So, do you think AI will be able to take the jobs of software engineers? Might be, but okay, we'll talk about some other session. Okay, give me courses and app development Python. Okay, let's try. Uh, okay, a few more questions. Then we are done. Shout out my name, please. Ishwar. Hi, Ishwar. I just hope you are enjoying all the courses which we have on the platform. You know what happens? A lot of you might have joined recently, and then most of you have been there from a long time. But you subscribe or you follow the channel for a particular technology, right? So on this platform, we have Java, we have Python, we have Android, and then when you start with one series, you think, hey, that's the only series we have, but that's not the case. We have a lot of other series available on this platform. So do check it out, check them out, explore the channel, and you will find amazing content. So check all the things. Can beginners join this program? Yes, this is for ultimate beginners. Okay. DS and Algor with Java. Maybe I can. Let's try. Are you able to create a Telugu channel, please? It's just that, so I am trying to make a channel which is universal for everyone so that anyone can learn. Okay, so machine learning course, maybe. Will Dart beat Java? It might, but then it will take a lot of time. Java has already captured the enterprise market. It is difficult to remove that. How to do coding in mobile phone? So for JavaScript, we do have some softwares. I'm not sure about other languages. Even for Python, I guess that we have the software. Just go to Play Store and search for Python compiler or JavaScript compiler. So you might get it. Okay. Okay. So all the same questions: Flutter, Android, Django or Node.js. Personally, I would say Django, but Node.js is great. Spring with microservices, I was thinking about it maybe in future. Provide a coupon code for Udemy soon. So 20th August is my birthday. I will be releasing the coupons on that time at that time. Okay, just to update, the Hyperledger course is almost complete. So people who have registered and then they got a refund again, they can buy it. It's almost complete, but it's not public yet. The course will be public only when it is completely complete. It's done. It's done now, but I have to make some, I have to fill up those gaps and we'll upload it. Duration of webinar, it will be 1.5 hours. Do you know Marathi? A bit. I definitely know some bad words in Marathi. Uh, so that's it, everyone. That's the live session. Just to reiterate, will be so that you register there so that you will see there. And also check out other videos on this platform. I know you have been following this channel from a long time, but make sure that you check the other channels as well. Anything else we'll talk about? That's it, everyone. So before that live session, we'll be doing a live on this platform as well. So on the Taliso channel, we'll be going live around at 3:30, and 5 will do a live session on Create Learning Academy. So that's it, everyone. Bye bye. Have a great night and see you on Sunday.